Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Spotify radio feature. Let's get started. So first, you want to play a song, and then here you'll see these three vertical dots. Tap it, and then you scroll down until you see go to song radio. And now Spotify will start playing a continuous mix of songs similar to the one that you chose based on your music taste, the song or artist you selected. And basically that is it. That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.